Today we are going to see very basics of nutrition. What is nutrition? What is health? What is balanced diet? Everyone's question is about what exactly is a balanced diet, right? So we will just cover all the basics about nutrition. I would like to start this class by saying three proverbs, which is like to kickstart the interest for nutrition. Number one, we are what we eat. This is a proverb which is very true, right? Each cell in the body is made out of a nutrient which is present in your food. So whatever food you are eating is going to form the body you have. So definitely it is having a direct relation. So that's what the proverbs say, we are what we eat. But as a nutritionist, as a dietitian, if I think from my aspect, the dietetics aspect, I would say we are what we absorb. Not everybody who is eating healthy food is all healthy. Okay, it is all about the absorption also, how well you are able to absorb the healthy food. That is also important. So we are what we eat can be tweaked to we are what we absorb also. Next proverb from the Hippocrates, who is the father of modern medicine, who is considered as a father of modern medicine. He says, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. Exactly, this is what happening in this pandemic situation. Everybody used to go to doctor for the small problems. If for some families, if you could see, for a normal fever, for the normal headache, for the normal stomach upset, they really wanted to go to hospital, meet a doctor, get some pill, then only they will feel better. Okay, maybe it may not be because of the tablet, but just because of the feel that they have went and met the doctor, they will feel good. And now though in this pandemic, we are not we are very scared to go to the hospital at all, right? Any problem, we are in search of the kitchen spices to tackle our problems, the small problems. So that is happening in this pandemic, and that's a very great change, I would say. Now only people are knowing what are all the spices helpful for certain small problems like the diarrhea, the stomach upset, or if you have fever, how well you can treat yourself with the diet only, not exactly with the doctor's help. So there is where nutrition is playing a very important role. If you start correcting your diet first, then definitely you don't require any kind of medicine for in long run at all. So that's the proverb. That's one proverb is like a powerful thing to show how nutrition is very important. And the third proverb is, let medicine be your food and kitchen be your pharmacy. So as I told before, kitchen has now become like a pharmacy. All the spices like the jeera water, the dhania ka water, the ajwain and saffordita found in our kitchen is all playing a very cute role and a healthy role in our lives, and unknowingly or knowingly we are forgetting all the traditional practices been done by the ancestors. There is always a talk about nutrition in our family through our grandmoms or through the elderly people. Okay, they will only guide us on what to eat in what season, what kind of food is good for what condition, what disease, etc. They are all like a nutritionist without any degree. But now though we have reached a situation wherein we require some nutritionist to come and speak about some spices which is really helping for this problem, that problem. So yeah. So as I said before, nutrition is not something new to us. It's been spoken since ancient times by your Upanishads, Gita and Ayurveda. What food in what season you have to eat, and how food is different in different religions, etc., right? And your Upanishads also says that purity of food leads to purity of thought. And Ayurveda classifies your food into three: Rajasic, Tamasic, and Sattvic. All this has been done, in our ancient time. And nutrition now, though, from all the researches, we are evolving into a different field, and that's a vast field now through many researches.
Bodhi Online is available in the Play Store. Please go and download it. You can access 5 days pranayama course for free. Absolutely, you heard it right, it is free. So please go and download Bodhi Online app and start strengthening your mind and body to fight against the COVID virus.